Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you and I'm super duper excited for this unboxing because I have been stalking this bag for quite some time now. It's been on my radar, I would say, for probably the past year, but I didn't actually seriously look into it until a couple months ago, and it was sold out online every single time I checked. And when I called Vancouver, when I called the customer service to see if they had it in Vancouver, they didn't. And so I called yesterday and she said, yeah, there might, keyword, there might be one at the Hotel Vancouver location, the Louis Vuitton in there. And typically I go to the Louis Vuitton in Holt Renfrew, so I'm not really familiar with the people there. Anyway, I went and the bag was there, so I'm so excited. So before I start talking like you know I can, I'm just gonna go. So here it is. You guys know the bag, and excuse me if I'm sniffling. I was looking at garden things today. I just want to get some flowers and stuff for my patio, and my allergies literally went ballistic. So if I'm sniffling or my nose is red, that is why. So receipt is here. There has been a price increase, and unfortunately, it's just what I had to pay. I had to pay, I think it was an additional like $50 or so, but that's totally fine. And I know the price for this bag will just continue to go up, so get it while you can, if you can. The light keeps, sorry, it's gonna keep adjusting if I hold this bag up. Okay, so obviously you guys know the bag, and here's the box. It's like, I guess I thought they might give me a bigger box, but they didn't, so that's okay. So here it is. I'm just going to show you what I got because I'm so stoked and I really want to start using this bag ASAP. But I can't do it, or I can't use it until I do an unboxing. So here it is. Da, 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 da. Any guesses what I could have gotten? I'm so excited, and there's a couple reasons why I'm excited. I was telling my husband all the reasons why, and he was like, okay, I don't really understand. I got the Speedy. So I got the Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandoulier, or Speedy B as it's more commonly known here on YouTube, in the Monogram in size 25. So let's unfold this guy. I can't wait to stuff it now to get rid of all the creases and stuff. Okay, I need this to stop moving. Okay, so here is the bag. As you guys can see, I need that light to stop shifting. Will it stop there? It might stop there. Anyway, so here it is. So one of the key things about this bag that I'm so super duper stoked about is that it is, if you can see, it is made in France. Yes. So the girl that was helping me, she was super cute, and she was actually saying she's been working there for 9 months, that this is the first Speedy that she has seen that is actually made in France. They're usually made in the US or made in Spain. So to get one that was made in France, I mean, that's so awesome. And the other thing is, it was just made, if I'm correct. So let me just open it up. Okay, it was made in the 7th week of 2018. So that means it is now what, March 16th, because spring break just started. So it was literally just made. So I'm so super excited. So yes, this is the Speedy B, and I have the straps in here, and I also have the little lock with the keys. It comes in like its own little tiny dust bag, which I thought was so cute. So lock and keys, and she told me that every lock actually is specifically, it has a number on the bottom. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. There you go. And it's made specifically for your bag, and there's the little keys. So freaking cute. So like I said, I've wanted this bag forever and forever, and it's just been sold out. And honestly, when I saw Alex from HRH Collection have it, I was like, oh, I need to get this bag. I think she got hers in the 30, and this one's obviously in the 25, but I think the 25 suits me a little bit better. Now, there was one thing with this, the original strap. So I was going through and I was looking, and on the bag she was going to give me, the strap here, you can see that that's where it's joined. It was like a different color. So she was actually super nice, and she went and she fished out this one from like a different Speedy and gave it to me, from a Speedy 30, I think. So yeah, there's a strap there, and I plan on wearing this guy crossbody. I'm so super excited. The other thing with this is the monogram is just like, it's so gorgeous. There was like a little bit of a glue stain. I can't even remember which part it was on. There was like a little part of a glue stain on one of this, like the corners here, and she went and she like completely removed it. I'm just so super excited, guys. This is just a gorgeous bag, and I can't wait to use it. It looks almost like one side of the bag. Oh no, maybe it's not. I thought that one handle was darker looking at the bag, but maybe that's just the lighting here. Or maybe it's not. Are the handles different colors? Am I crazy? They look the same here, but in natural light they look a little bit different. Anyway, so this is my quick unboxing. Like I said, this is the Speedy bandolier monogram in size 25, and I guess I can tell you the price. I don't know, you can look at it online actually. I don't like to say it. But yeah, so this is my new bag, and I'm super excited to just use it, and I'll do a what's in my bag sometime. I don't know when, but I will. So I can't wait to start using this gorgeous little bag. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this really quick unboxing. I just wanted to share my excitement with you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.